Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, in this question, we are required to compute two expressions about our maximum and minimum function. Okay, to prove this, let's begin with the minimum one. Okay, suppose to prove this equation, we can just assume that we can consider this equation in two cases. First, let's assume x greater than y. The minimum of x, y will be just equal to y, because minimum means we want to choose the last one, or smaller one. Okay. By the definition, it will be just and I mean not the definition. I mean by the definition, we know minimum of xy will be just equal to y. Now let's consider the expression of the right side, and the expression of the right side will be something like that. Okay. Now notice we assume x is greater than y. That means this absolute value is positive, so it will be just equal to x plus y minus x minus y. Minus x, we have a parenthesis here, and delete this parenthesis. We have, so this will be equal to x plus y minus x plus y over 2. And it will be 2y over 2, which will be 2y. So we can see if x is greater than y, then we'll get the left side of our equation will be equal to y. So is the right side. So if x is greater than y, then we know this is true. Now, if x is less than y, we can consider x is less or equal to y, because when x is equal to y, the minimum of xy is always equal to one of them, because all of them are equal. So we can just consider this situation. And by the definition, x will be the minimum. Right. This is our left side. What about our right side? This will be something like that. Now x is less or equal to y. That means this term is negative. So the absolute value, to kill the absolute value sign, we need to add a minus sign in the very first. That means it will be equal to, okay, 1 over 4, 1 over 2 at the very first beginning, x plus y minus x minus y, because we just want to kill the absolute value. Then it will be equal to 1 over 2 x plus y plus x minus y, right? Because, okay, this term, as we have two minus signs, this will be just equal to plus. And so every cube, all the common one will have x. So if x is less or equal to y, then we have the same discussion. We'll have the same result. That means this one has been checked by us. Okay, we can do the same thing for the max. Let's just consider one case, and the other case is totally the same. Let's assume x is greater than y. Then we know max will be equal to x. This is our left side. Our right side is something like that. X plus y plus the absolute value of x minus y over 2. Now, as x is greater than y, this will be just equal to, this term is positive, so we can just delete the absolute value without doing anything. Plus x minus y. This will be x. So the left side is equal to the right side. If we assume x is less than y, then the discussion is totally the same as this one, I think. So just by consider the relationship of x and y. I mean, just separate the relationship into different cases and do the discussion for each case, and then we'll get the formula in the beginning. Okay.